So the aggregated event management, aggregated event management is a thing that, the moment you have gotten your Facebook, as Facebook pixel verified, your domain verified, then you will be able to rank the importance of the, the so-called the aggregated event. You can actually select up to 8 events basically, and you can rank which one is more important. Like over here, she's asking, should you change the position of priority to complete registration and purchase? Like, it's these two things, of course, in my opinion, purchase is the most important one. And then we have complete registration, we have add to cart, we have stuff like that, So you should actually, in my opinion, you should move your purchase up to the top. If purchase is always at the top, in my opinion, then you have complete registration, add to cart, and stuff like that. So that's how you arrange. But that would not affect the outcome. When you're running ads, it will not be like, oh, complete registration is number one instead of purchase. So when you're running a conversion campaign optimizing for purchase, they will position people looking for people who are into adding to cart, or registration. So it's not that way. So this is just the arrangement. So arrangement in terms of the aggregated event management is that when one is not happening, they will fall back, to the second tier kind of thing. That's kind of what I understand. I haven't touched this topic for a long time anyway. So yeah, so that's how you should do it. So the moment you decide in your conversion campaign whether you want to go for registration or purchase, it will not mix up. Don't worry about that, okay?